Maikeidagi Ayetpa kaya Pirabasu Leingakna paper leak bill pass Tougani Haina FONGDOKHRE BIHAR the protest MAYOKNABADA AK-47 SIJINNAKHIBA CONSTABLE SUSPEND TOUKHRE Public Examination Amendment Bill 2026 opposition ki Maikeidagi debate adu pangthokpada boycott Pirabasu Leingakna Maikeidagi pass Tougani Haina Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiran Rijijuna ngasi FONGDOKHRE maragasi da Bihar gi Siwan district ta thasi kungamanga da mahiri singi protest ama lakshinana ba honabada AK-47 rifle SIJINNAKHIBA Bihar gi constable ama suspend ToukhrE Lok Sabha da ngasi paper leak oibagi bill ni hariba Public Examination Amendment Bill 2026 pung nipan chupna khana nainabagi matangda Leingakna Maikeidagi sem sari haina Kiran Rijijuna FONGDOKHRE mahangna makha tarna opposition party ki Maikeidagi debate adu yauroi haina FONGDOKPA leirabasu Leingakna bill adu discussion tawduna pass tawna ba paikhat pa yaba thabak pungna mak paikhat kani haina FONGDOKHI BJP amasung NDA bill adu ki matangda discussion adu da saru yanna ba luchingba single list ama speaker Om Birla da pishankhi ngasi Lok Sabha da bill adu Union Minister Dr. Jitendra Singhana introduce tawkhibani loinana NDA ki Maikeidagi Bansuri Swaraj Tejaswi Surya Sushant Mani Tripathi Anurag Thakur Shrikant Sindhe Arun Vati Alok Suman Anupriya Patel amasung Sayali Ghosna wa ngangana bakhanki Nakalamaranda Congress amasung atopa opposition party singna bill adu direct discussion da puthokpagi mahutta parliamentary standing committee natraga joint parliamentary committee amada refer tawna bakhanganki loinana Congress na Lok Sabha da mahiroi singi mathakta police na chathakhiba thawong sing adugi matangda Union Home Minister Amit Shah gi Maikeidagi statement ama demand tawki madu loiraba matungda bill adugi matangda khanabagi matam lausi haiki Congress ki MP Tariq Anwarna FONGDOKHIBada Congress party khongfam hongdana leiri loinana Rahul Gandhi gi Maikeidagi Leingak amasung Prime Minister na handak Jantar Mantar da police ki Maikeidagi chathakiba hingsa gi oiba thabak thawong singi matangda lale haijagadabani haiba wafam kayara khanna thangatkrabani Leingak ki Maikeidagi di bill adu gi matangda Lok Sabha da direct discussion pangthokpagi apamba phongdorakli Khongthang adu leibak sinba thungna mahiroi singna chatharakpa khongjong sing adugi paukumoina pukhalakkhibani loinana opposition party da masigi matangda marik chumba amadi open oiba debate ama pangthoknana ba takshinkhi opposition party ki Maikeidagi discussion adu yauroi haina boycott tawkhiba thodok sing aduna Lok Sabha amadi Rajya Sabha animakta charangnaba amadi protest kaya thokhi maduna maram oiduna house animakta session adu adjourn tawduna hayeng pung 13 da amuk hanna warep lauki Congress ki MP Priyanka Gandhi Vadrana luchingduna Parliament House Complex da protest ama chathaduna mahiroi singi mayokta police ki action yaningdi haina FONGDOKPA loinana Home Minister Amit Shah gi Maikeidagi lale haijagadabani haina demand tawki amalomda NDA gi MP singna Union Education Minister gi firm dagi resign tawkhraba Dharmendra Pradhan Parliament plakpada Pradhan Zindabad haiba kholaw lawduna taramna okhi asigumba thodok adu achoba wathok amada chenaduna resign tawduna luchingba amabo pukning thawat hanbani haibna BJP bu maral sikhi ngasigi Lok Sabha gi speaker Om Birla na bill adugi discussion adu Leingak amadi opposition gi marakta khenaba sing adu yashinana ba pung ahung gi matam piraga house loi haiki adubu opposition ki Maikeidagi makhoina chatharakiba demand sing adu mapum fade haidana discussion adu direct oina pangthokpa adu yaroi haiki maragasi da Bihar ki constable ama thasi kungamanga da mahiroi singi protest manungda AK-47 rifle SIJINNAKHIBA thodok adu ki matangda khudakta suspend tawre haina Siwan gi SP Puran Kumar Dhanana khangalakli state adu ki Maikeidagi kayadagi nongmai paibagi thodok adu yaningdaba phongdoknarakli